Y los solutions, I can do whatever I want.
Alright, so we are talking about a strategy. This is a strategy, Juan Diego. We're recording live from my class. This is number 9 on your review packet, Kijana. So we're at number 9. Number 9. This is a strategy. Alright? There's many ways of solving this one, but I'm going to show you a strategy for your STAR test. Write strategy, please. Write strategy. And so what I'm going to have you do, this is called replace with answer. You're going to look at the answers and you're going to replace with the answers. You're going to basically see which one is the correct answer. And Elia, we're on number 9. We're on number 9 and we're recording live. So one more time, we're on number 9. We're going to replace it with the answers. So in the problem, please circle this. In the problem, they give you a point. Please circle that. -4 and 2. -4, comma 2. I'm going to use those and I'm going to replace the x and the y with this. Okay? And let me put in the calculator. So over -4 and 2. -4, Pablo, is x or y? X. And Yusuf, 2 is
Y.
Y. Alright, so I'm going to use those numbers and I'm going to replace with the x and the y. So there's a long way of doing this problem. I'm not going to do it the long way. I'm going to use my strategy. Alright, so here's what I do. Before I use the calculator, I'm going to check this answer. Alright, so I'm going to write 9. Instead of writing the x, Hidia, what do I put instead of the x?
-4.
-4. Alright, minus 2. It's number 9. It's the ones that I put on your desk already. Look, all of the other, are those it?
No.
Okay, look. Alright, so then instead of putting the y, my number for y is 2. So I put in 2 equals 36. Now, when I put this in the calculator, if it's true, then that means this works. It's the answer. Alright? It's one of the answers to this problem. So I go to new document. I go to new document. And I'm going to, no, I do not want to save. And I'm going to add calculator. That's the first one. I'm going to add calculator. That's the first one. Number 1, calculator. So I'm going to type this in the calculator. So I'm going to start with 9. Do that with me. 9. Parentheses. Let me see if I can get it a little bit darker. I don't know how much darker I can get on this calculator, but I'm going to try. Yeah, that's all. Alright, -4. So, -4. Make sure you don't put -4. Make sure you type in -4. The negative is right here. So then I'm going to type in -4. And then this is an operation sign. The 2 is negative, but the operating sign is minus. So put minus 2, parentheses 2. And then to put the equals, it's underneath the yellow.
I got the answer.
Then you type in 36. And you get false, which means that one is not correct. So then what are you going to do next?
Try
the next one. Try the next answer. If that one works, perfect. If it doesn't work, try the next one.
The
Yes.
first one is -2.
This
Yeah, no,
or this one? This, the operation is minus. The number, the sign of this number is negative, but the operation is minus. Operations, what separates the two numbers and tells you what to do with those numbers. I'm going to have you do G now by yourself. I'm going to have the group leader single. I'm going to have Kijana, Ahmed, Hidia, and Yusuf check everyone's calculator for G. Everyone, you're going to check your calculator for G. Check everyone's calculator. Make sure everyone knows how to do this one. Yeah, you just have to check her calculator.
So how about if we know answer, like we can solve it in the mind?
But check theirs. Okay, so this is what G needs to look like on your calculator. 9, Still the same x. Oh no, why is my calculator frozen? Alright, 9, -4. Still the minus. And then the y equals 26.
Stop it. It's wrong.
Okay, and that one, Nicole, you said is
Wrong.
wrong. The next one, 9, -4
That's
minus
correct.
2. And this one turned out to be, oh no, my laptop is still frozen. Alright,
Sí, ahora intenta con la otra y la otra, sí.
that one was supposed to be correct. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.